Are you struggling to manage and sell your online courses effectively? Well, it's not just you. There are many people who are facing the same problem. Don't worry, we're here to save you. Let me introduce you Creator LMS, a powerful WordPress plugin built for course creators, coaches, and educators. Have you ever tried selling courses online? You know the pain, right? High platform fees, clunky dashboards, or having to install dozens of different plugins just to get things working. Honestly, it's frustrating. That's why I think the Creator LMS is a big deal. It's a lightweight WordPress plugin that lets you build and sell courses, memberships, and communities without the bloat and without losing a cut of your earning. You keep 100% of your revenue. It comes with an easy drag and drop builders so you can launch a course in a minute. It also has engagement features like quizzes, badges, and leaderboards, which, by the way, can increase course completion rate by up to 50%. And here is the cool part. It has an AI suite that helps generate course outlines, quizzes, and even images that saves creators hours of work and make the content look super professional. With the Creator LMS, you can create and sell courses directly from your WordPress site without relying on third-party platforms that take a big cut of your earning. The key features that Creator LMS offers: drag and drop course builders, no coding required; student dashboards for progress tracking; payment gateway integration for easy sales; quizzes, certificates, and engagement tools; flexible pricing models like one-time, subscription, or bundle; 100% ownership of your content and student data. Now, the question is, who can use it? Whether you're a coach, teacher, consultant, fitness trainer, or content creator, this plugin is designed to help you build an e-learning website. You can set up platforms like online course academies, membership sites, coaching and mentorship platform, corporate training websites, niche education portals. If you have been thinking about launching or scaling your online courses, definitely check out for Creator LMS. It might just be the tool you have been waiting for.